All right, so here's a new listing coming onto the market over by the Surfside area. We're gonna go ahead and do a walkthrough on this home. So as you can see, living room over here, dining room, sitting area, breakfast nook on this side. And if we come over to this side of the home, guest bedroom 1. And then if we come across the hallway, guest bedroom number 2. Pretty good sized closets too, by the way. Definitely a walk-in style. And then coming in to the guest bathroom, if we come in here, we could see Corian counters, ceramic tile floors, a walk-in shower that is fully tiled. And then there's no pool on this property. However, if you did want to put a pool, there is room and you have a pool bath. And it's also great for entertaining. So galley style kitchen, Corian countertops, white cabinets, laundry room. And then we're gonna go to the other side, to the master bedroom. Walk-in closet. Master bathroom. Double sinks. Shower. Tub on this side. And one thing to note about this property is that it does have cathedral ceilings, so which is really nice. All right, so coming out to the lanai area, here's the pool bath that we were talking about a little bit earlier. What's nice about this property is that it has a massive patio. I mean, from one end to the other end. It's hard to capture on video. The best example I could give you is that there's this side of the house, and I would say the 5, 10, 15, a good 30, 40 feet of lanai space. Really nice. Here's the back patio area, the backyard, privacy. It's pretty quiet. Being on Surfside, they have biking paths. You're right off of Veterans, so you have access to Fort Myers. Really, really nice area.